Hello, and welcome to my video about how to wear your close to you scarf. So I want to start just by showing you sort of the anatomy of the scarf. You have a ribbed middle portion and then two panels. One panel has a keyhole and button, and then the other one is plain but has a loop on the corner here. So the first thing I like to do is just called the classic, and that's gonna be where you are just gonna show off the textured part of the panel here and just have it over your shoulder. The next one is called the long scarf. So what you're going to do is have close to you around your neck with the panels hanging down and come up and over and kind of tuck the panels in. You can cinch up the neck here a little bit if you'd like. And that's is what I call the cravat style. So you're just gonna take close to you and fold it in half, wrap that around your neck, it's very nice and cozy, and I think quite elegant. You know, you're ready to get in your carriage now. We have the cowl style. So you're gonna place the scarf around your neck asymmetrically. So with the keyhole next to your jawline, basically, and then this part out longer. And then you're gonna thread this through and then you're gonna take this panel and tuck it in to the part that's ribbed, wrapped around your neck, and then you're gonna take this part that you threaded through, bring it around, and your button be waiting here for you. There you go, got a cowl. The scarf can also function as a headband. This is actually one of my favorite ways that I discovered to wear it. You're gonna place it around your head. You're gonna thread the end through the keyhole. And then bring the loop in the panel back, the button. And then what I like to do is tuck under these ends, and then you've got a matching headband and scarf set. So what you're going to want to do is, with the longer end pointing down, wrap this, and then same thing with the longer end pointing down, and you're going to want to overlap those two. Fasten your button there. It might need a little help staying on during this part, but once you've got it all wrapped up, it won't go anywhere. And then you're going to take the ribbed portion, you see these little ends back here, you can leave them loose, or I like to tuck them into the sides here. Now you're ready to face the cold. Thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and are inspired to make and wear a close to you of your own. Have a good day.